In this video, I am replacing the broken screen of TCL X50 XE smartphone. The display is damaged and the touch is not working properly. First, I power off the phone and remove the SIM tray. Then I apply heat around the back cover and carefully open the phone. I am slowly open the back cover using plastic tools. I am carefully not to do damage any parts inside. After opening the phone, I disconnect the battery first. This is very important while repairing a phone. Next, I remove the broken screen from the phone. I clean the old frame and remove the old glue and the dust. And then I clean the frame that helps the new screen sit properly. After that, I connected the new screen to the phone before fixing it fully. I powered off the phone to test it. As you see, the display is clear and the touch is working well. After testing, I turn off the phone again and I fixed new screen properly and reassemble all parts. I close the back cover and I insert the SIM tray. The screen replacement is complete now. That the TCL X50 XL looks very good and working like a new one. I know the audio is coming first and video is late because of all customers are coming. I'm making a video so fast, so I'm just showing the things how to remove the all parts. The same way you can reassemble the all parts and try it will work.